Want to know how to maximize link level farming efficiency in Dragon Ball Z? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Dragon Ball Z application and make sure you always farm on stage 7 of area 28. So make sure you have that unlocked as well. So why this? It's because the stage 7 of area 28 has the highest consistent link activation rate in the entire game. Second, run units with no level 10 links. So every battle has maximum chance of leveling. Third, turn on auto battle and boost mode. But do not use support memories. They don't affect link leveling. So first and last, use full 200% or 170% team to speed up fights. Faster battle means more linker teams. And that's it. Do this for a few days and your units will jump from level 1 to level 9 to 10 crazy fast. And that's it. I hope this video helped. Make sure to apply these to ace it out on your farming efficiency. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.